Hello nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about how to switch branches. So in my previous video I showed you how to create branches, and now in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch branches. So for example, if you are working on multiple features and you made those features as different branches, then sometimes you might need to work on another feature. So in that case you need to switch branches to work on. So yeah, before jumping into the code, if you are new to this video, I would suggest to watch the video from the beginning from this playlist. The link is into the description section. Otherwise if you know what you are doing, then just keep watching this video. So in my previous video I showed you how to check branches. So I'm gonna run that command git branch, and you will see you have these three branches, and currently you are in the main branch. Now let's say you want to work on feature A branch. So currently you are in the main branch, and now you want to switch to the feature A branch. So to switch the branch, you have to run command git checkout, then the branch name. So I'm gonna run feature A. So this is the command git checkout and the branch name in which you want to switch to. So I'm gonna switch to feature A. So let's hit enter, and as you can see I am on now feature A branch. Let's run git branch command, and now as you can see this star is coming in front of feature A branch. Previously it was there on the main branch, so this indicates the current branch. Let's hit the Q button and get back to the screen, and this is how we can switch the branch. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.